Gamit mo pa rin ba ay yung traditional keys pa rin? Time na yan para i-upgrade to smart lock. I decided to upgrade my home with the smart lock. And I'm here to show you why I think it's worth considering, especially if you want something more convenient, secure, and hassle-free. So today, I'm here at Kanzen Home Taguig Showroom to check out their smart locks. They have different kind of smart locks depending on your needs. Meron for your main door, bedroom, sliding door, mirror, and even your gate. And look at this, made with alloy metal and 304 stainless steel. So aside from looking sleek and modern, designed din siya for everyday use. What I really like is ang dami mong option to unlock it. You can use your fingerprint, Face ID, palm access, password, or key. Kaya hassle-free talaga. And you can also connect it to the Tuya app. So you can access and manage the lock using your phone. Para na rin tong CCTV, diba? May voice-guided feature na din siya for easier and quicker operation. Plus, reversible yung design niya, so it can fit different door directions. And you can also check the lock and unlock history, battery health, and alarm. Yung battery niya tumatagal around 3 to 5 months. Depende na lang sa paggamit mo. And kapag nalobat, don't worry because may emergency key naman. Pero kung hindi mo naman dala yung key, you can also charge it from the outside using the emergency charging feature para ma-power on and ma-open mo pa rin yung door. But wait, hindi lang smart locks ang meron dito. They also have modern shower heads, smart toilets, smart faucets, sinks, modern mirrors, bathtub, and even jacuzzis. Ang gaganda ng designs and ang dami talaga mapagpipilian. They also have Filtria. Ito yung water dispenser na may water filter na rin. And I'm thinking na rin na bumili nito. You can also buy Frazzle Pops here. At may pa-coffee pa sila while waiting for your order. So, if you're building a new house, renovating, or bagong lipat, perfect place to check out because they have product for your kitchen, bathroom, and even your home security. Located lang to sa One Legrand Tower, Fort Bonifacio, Taguig. You can park inside the One Legrand building or sa mall across the street. Kaya ano pa inaantay nyo guys? Time to upgrade your home!